You searched how to buy shares of Markel Corp. Markel is a specialty insurance and investment company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MKL. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to your account. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MKL to find Markel Corp. Then select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for MKL. Confirm the company name and the MKL ticker so you are trading the correct listing. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade, the MKL position will appear in your portfolio. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.